You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Bonjour, we are looking at how to pronounce the name of this commune or city in France. We'll be looking at how to say more confusing names in famous places in the country. So in French it's said as Narbonne, Narbonne. Some may skip the last E and say it as Narbonne, Narbonne. It's also correct, it depends on the accent. Narbonne is how you pronounce it. In English you can say it as Narbonne, Narbonne is how you say it in English. In French again, Narbonne. And now you know. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. I'll see you there. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.